In the past, people dey talk say I no go marry, say I too fat, say I dey on top with you and my leg no good, I no fine. But you see, God come bring my better husband wey love me the way I dey. He say I fat, he still love me. So now all the people wey be dey talk, their mouth don close. My name na Dorothy Osarono. I be skincare therapist. They dey call me Duchess of One, aka Dora's Glow. My wedding day na the happiest day for my life. Oh, I dance sotey body pain me. Marriage is sweet well well. And the man wey I marry, he dey give me peace. He dey make me happy. He sweet pass honey, my people. As I get disability, so come be say I come dey chubby because I no go call am fat. The chubby wey I come dey come make am worse. Hey, you go die if you no lose weight. You go do this, you go do this. People they insult me plenty insult sef. But me as I dey like this, I no care. Na my God create me like this and I love myself the way I dey. I go tell you truth, no marriage dey perfect oh. But you see my marriage, we understand each other, we love each other. If one person make mistake, we dey forgive ourselves. And the most important thing be say he love me, I love am, and he dey give me peace of mind. I meet my husband for 2009 where I write to egg for him papa's school because him papa and my papa they be friends. We can't go our separate ways. So 2019 I just dey call me say he won't buy cream, and from there today we dey the same house, we don't marry, we dey love. That's so it starts. From the first day where I see him, that's so we just fall in love. He tell me say he won't hug me, I tell him say I won't kiss him. From then that's so we start to my brother.
Naturally, I dey like girls wey dey on the big side very well. So I don dey crush on her for Facebook, you know. They send messages to her on Facebook. She no dey reply although. So fast forward to 2019, I come check her out for Instagram. I come say okay, she dey even sell soap. So I come use that one now as status. So now from there our friendship starts. To me, there is no difference marrying somebody that is physically challenged. In fact, I go even say I dey blessed because God don't give me an opportunity to be part of her story, because some of people wey dey watch me so, wey dey see me so, they never even get this opportunity.
I'm not gonna lie. People.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one woman. When I see this woman, she farts like say tomorrow no day. Even as a fat, she not the feel waka, her legs safe they pain am. Now week share now she dey stay. People be don tell her say she not go see husband for her life, she too fat and she not stay good, you know, the waka, she not go see husband. You know, this life, no look down on yourself. Oh, no matter what you they pass through for life, no look down on yourself. You understand? Because where people feel say it don't finish, now there God go come to say no, it never finished, my people. Because when I see the woman, she really fat, not be small. But God can't give her cute husband where be say he love her past any other thing. He love her. He see the one where is clean. He see the one where they work out well. He say no, now this one he want choose, because God give everybody a husband for this life. Impatient where they worry some of us, now make they fall for the wrong man. If you really get patient, God go give you, because when God they create you, he creates husband follows you. But impatient not the let us wait when we meet our husband. You understand? I make you say single mothers full everywhere, because not be the right man we're supposed to born for, like go born for, and the man to not be the right woman we're supposed to born for you, like go born for you. Now they cause all those problems. You understand, my people? So when I see this video just now, I say no, I must talk for this video. I really like they happy for what I see. At least if now this husband God say bless this woman, if now only this woman achieve for this world, she achieved something. Yeah, she achieved something. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her, because people be don't look down on her and say she not go see husband for her life, but God do one, she see husband. I am so happy for her, because it's not easy. It's not easy, my people. The truth have to be said though, because this kind of woman will be like this. No man go wan go ask of her hand in marriage now, even to date himself. She even talk am with her man say people don talk and say she no go see husband for her life. She no go see husband, but God still do am. She still see husband. Una understand? So na so life be. Na so life be. So don't let anybody bring you down. Don't let anybody look down on you, say your own don't finish for this life. No, your own never finish. Where people they think say your own don't finish. Now there God go come to us say no, your own it never finish. He go still do one for you no matter what. You understand, my people? So I am so happy for the woman. I am so happy for her. I go put the video more and see him. I am so happy for her because I just want to use and take give people hope. You will be say you they look down on yourself, say I too fat, I not fine. This that God go bless you with your own. You will they follow person go they drag you on. Boofam, God go give you your own. Your own will be say nobody go follow you drag am. See the cute man where God take bless this fat woman will be say no they waka. So you will get body will complete. You will come they look down on yourself. No. Time for this woman blessing. Say God will do our own. He go do your own for you. Yeah. Time for our blessing. Oh. Time for our blessing. Say God will do our own. He go do your own. Because you go down they say your hope don't lost. No, hope never lost. Oh. Hope never lost. Now they for they get her wrong. Hope never lost. You when they look down on yourself, not look down on yourself again. God will do this woman. He go do your own for you. That's how it be. Thank you, my people. Let me put the video. Make una see. I'm gonna let me share the video. Let the video go viral. So that you will get sister where they look down on yourself, say no go see man again, into fat, into a slim, in not good again, in the shapeless. No. Make it look this woman. It could take get up. That's how it be. Thank you, my people. Bye.
In the past, people they thought say I no go marry, say I too fat, say I dey on top with chair, my leg no good, I no fine. But you see, God can't bring my better husband wey love me the way I dey. He say I fat, he still love me. So now all the people wey dey talk, oh, their mouths don't close. My name na Dorothy Osarono. I be skincare therapist. They call me Duchess of One, aka Dora's Glow. My wedding day na the happiest day for my life. Oh, I dance so tay body pain me. Marriage is sweet way. And the man where I marry, he dey give me peace. He dey make me happy. It's sweet pass honey, my people. As I get disability, so come be say I can't dey chubby because I no go call am fat. The chubby wey I come make am worse. Hey, you go die if you no lose weight. You go do this. You go do this. People they insult me plenty insult safe. But me as I dey like this, I no care. Now my God creates me like this and I love myself the way I dey. I go tell you truth, no marriage dey perfect oh. But you see my marriage, we understand each other, we love each other. If one person make mistake, we dey forgive ourselves. And the most important thing be say, he love me, I love him, and he dey give me peace of mind. I met my husband for 2009, where I write to egg for him papa's school because him papa and my papa they be friends. We can't go our separate ways. So 2019, I just they call me say won't buy cream, and from there to there we dey the same house. We don't marry, we dey love. That's so it starts. From the first day where I see him, that's so we just fall in love. He tell me say he won't hug me. I tell him say I won't kiss him. From then that's so we start to my brother.
Naturally, I dey like girls wey dey on the big side very well. So I don't dey crush on her for Facebook, you know. They send messages to her on Facebook. She no dey reply although. So fast forward to 2019, I can't check her out for Instagram. I can't say okay, she dey even sell soap. So I can't use that one now as status. So now from there, our friendship starts. To me, there is no difference marrying somebody that is physically challenged. In fact, I go even say I dey blessed because God don't give me an opportunity to be part of her story, because some of people where they watch me so, where they see me so, they never even get this opportunity.
I'm not gonna lie. People where they on top picture like me or we get disability like me, they look us as if we be taboo. Be like say we too, we no be normal human being. plenty times when I dey school for UST for uni days, most of the classes na upstairs. I dey suffer. They go put the class 7 a.m. I begin climb to go upstairs. Plenty things don pay me, but I no just talk about am sha. The thing start when I been dey 3 years old. I not too know the full story, but I know say my mama say I wake up with fever. We go plenty hospital, waka plenty herbalists. One day my papa say don't do me sef, I can't tire kwa. I say I go live my life like that. I no kill person.
No, don't worry, just manage. I'm not recording you.
For men wey dey in relationship with people on the chubby side, e no good say you go like fat girl, they go follow slim girl. Then when you see fat girl, you follow fat. It will just cause confusion. So I go advise people wey like fat girls, wey dem go out. A lot of people, a lot of men, in fact 90% of men, all of them like fat women. So when they lie, they should tell themselves the truth and do the right thing.
A lot of people like me wey dey chubby or wey fat, as some dey call am, then they hate themselves. Some of them no dey fit come out, they no fit wear wetin they like to wear. My advice for them be say, my sister, love yourself the way you dey, flaunt am. See me so, I sabi catch cruise, I sabi flex, I sabi enjoy my life. I be spec, so you too my sister.